Hello. So in this video I'm going to show you how to create a new canvas using Photopea. Photopea is a free web app that we're going to be using for the next couple of weeks or so. It's basically like a free web version of Photoshop. The nice thing about it is as well, the interface that you're going to be using is pretty similar to what you would use on Photoshop. So hopefully what you learn using this will be transfer over to using Photoshop. So I want to create a new document or a new canvas. To do that, I'm going to go to File, and I'm going to press New. And you'll get this screen come up. I'm going to give it a name, so I'm just going to leave it as New Project for now. I'm going to change this to millimeters because the size I want is an A4 piece of paper. So for A4, for the height, you want 210. So for the width, you want 210. And for the height, you want 297 millimeters. And then happy with the white background, and then I'm going to press Create, and there you go. There is my nice happy blank canvas.